Yeah, hello, amazing customers. It's a beautiful day in Kaswa. Designing this building with a takwa marble stones. As you can see, we work across the country. We supply every types of natural stones across the country. That be I'm here today to give you update on how the stones is looking so beautiful, so marvelous on the building. So we are going to design these pillars with the marble stones and under the face wall also. Yeah. So we have started this installation. That was yesterday, and so far so good. That be what we could do. You see, these stones, this design does go faster. You have to take your time and lay the stones one by one by before we get it done. You see, everything you want, I will do it for you. But sometimes it will depend on the money that you are paying. Just imagine that 6 years up to now, this be the way that two people have due. So just imagine if like they are going to take a by day money. You understand me? So someone like me, Steven, I will explain to you that boss, the exam that you want me to do for you, it will take a lot of time. So at least if the money be like this, it will be enough for her to do the job for you. You see, and this is the stone material. uh so if you have a vision to lay this stone to your location, kindly give us a call so I will come to your location and we will take a measurement. You see, so the measurement is the measurement that will tell how much it's going to cost you for the stones material and the workmanship, and how many bags of cement that you need to do this job. You understand me? So that be if you have a vision to lay this stone to your location, kindly call us. Let us come to your location and give you a quotation. You see, and give you a quotation. So the quotation, so it's the quotation that will determine how much is going to cost you before you give us go ahead for how to involve the material, everything to do the job for you. You see, so nice and beautiful, as you can see. So whatever day you dey watch me right now, marble stones is a new modern design here in Ghana. Give us a call wherever a day, wherever you locate yourself. You come your location and do a very beautiful work for you on how we dey see am in the camera. The name is Steven Stone Design. You see, so nice and beautiful. Bye bye.